Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to install UG Remote on a brand new Mac computer. First, please open up your browser. I'm using Safari in this example. Please put remote.jinhao.ca in the address bar. And please download the Apple version, the Mac OS version of UG Remote by clicking here. So if you like this project, don't forget to give me a star on GitHub. So once you create an account, you can give me a star here. Now I'm going to open the UG Remote installer. So there are 4 steps in this installer you need to follow. The first step is to drag UG Remote into the application folder. Then you can open the quarantine workflow, and please click on Run in the upper right corner. Once that workflow is completed, you can close the window. Then please read both the licensed and the README document of Tiger VNC. I'm not reading it here. In the 4th step, you should drag Tiger VNC viewer into the applications folder. Now you can open applications and open UG Remote. Okay, so there are a few things you need to configure for your first time usage. First, please select a random ECG UG machine. Then please put your username and also your password, which is by default your student number. So you must select the reset VNC option here because it's your first time using the setting up the VNC server. And please select a password of length 6 to 8. So I actually recommend before each connection that you should check the loads and select the lightest loaded computer. So I'm seeing UG75 doesn't have any users, so I'm going to select this machine. I click on select. Then I click on connect to connect to UG75 using VNC. Okay, so there's a bug in the Tiger VNC viewer. Whenever Tiger VNC opens up, you need to double click on the title bar of Tiger VNC twice so that it resizes, and now the display is normal. Let me know if you have any questions by posting the comments below. Thank you.